Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ramon Escalera here, trying to show you how to withdraw deposits into Bleutrade. Bleutrade is where HTML coin can be found. I'm going to put the link in the description to get to this actual exchange, and this is where you're going to be able to get these coins. Okay, so if you're trying to deposit Bitcoin for the very first time into Bleutrade, you have to click on My Balances. Once you do so, you get to the bottom where it says cryptocurrency. You'll see where it says Bitcoin. Go all the way to the right. You're going to see a little plus sign. Click on that. Then if you want to deposit, click Deposit. That's how you add Bitcoin into Bleutrade. If you want to sell a coin or withdraw a coin, if you have a value of that coin, you click on the plus sign and click on Withdraw. Or you can trade it, trade history, etc. You see it here, deposit or withdraw. That's entirely up to you. But if you're sitting on a coin, then you do not sell it. You keep it here. So that being said, just a quick training on how to deposit and withdraw using Bleutrade. Thank you for watching this video. Have yourself a wonderful day.